welcome back to my channel. I'm Jayla Koriyan. If you're new, I am a social media influencer and I've been on social media for almost 10 years. Now this is so crazy to me. I'm having a full circle moment right now because with everything going on in the world, I'm back at my mom's house. I created this video 9 years ago on June 3rd, 2010 in my mom's house showing my outfit of the day, which was a romper. This is really crazy to me that I am looking at my 15-year-old self. I am 25 years old now. Throughout the time on social media, I have basically had to learn everything on my own, figure out everything, trial and error everything. Social media, when I started, you were not even making income. I think my first YouTube check was like $200, nothing crazy. And I don't think that this girl right here knew what she was getting herself into. Alright guys, so this is a new series on my channel called Behind the Hustle. I'm going to be telling you guys everything about being a social media influencer. I've been doing it for a really long time. I have literally learned everything through trial and error. It was no blueprint for this. I had no one to ask. I didn't even know social media was going to be how it is today. I literally started this as a hobby, just liking to come on camera, show my cute outfits, talk about my hair, new hair extensions, and it has grown to this. I now have two channels. I have a beauty channel, which I started as Glamaholic54, and I now have a vlog channel that I started 4 years ago, Jayla Koriyan TV, which you guys are watching me on. Now, within being in social media for so long, I've literally saw the changes within social media, changes within YouTube, the back end of things, how things work. It's really not anything that I don't know just because I've had to experience it and go through it. So I hope that this series, you know, gives you some insight and some tips and makes you want to start your YouTube journey. So what is a YouTube influencer? A YouTube influencer is someone that comes on and makes video content and shares things that they like to influence their audience to either buy it or share their knowledge. And for me, this was something that I did at a young age that I did not know I was doing. Now, people are always curious about how influencers make money, and I would be curious as well. You know, this is something that has blown up. People are making a whole living off of social media, being an influencer, and I am one of those people. Now, I don't think that everyone will have a blow up overnight story, but if you're passionate about something and you want to come on camera and you're not shy to speak to the world, I definitely think this is something that you should do today. People are at home and they're ready to hear you and hear what you have to bring to the social media space. You know, the first thing is figuring out what your niche is. Now, when I started YouTube, I didn't know what my niche was. I was just doing things that I actually enjoyed. And over the course of the years, I kind of, you know, changed what I liked. I was growing into myself as a person, and maybe one year I liked one thing and the next year I liked another. So a few different categories that I dabbled into was I started off with hair tutorials. I really liked doing hair. I was in cosmetology school in high school, so I really liked everything about hair. I begged my mom to go to the beauty supply store. Then I fell in love with fashion. I wanted to show all my clothes to all my subscribers on the internet. I wanted to do lookbooks. I wanted to do hauls. I wanted to buy stuff, buy little heels. I liked wedges. For some reason, I was really addicted to all these colors. I had a very colorful wardrobe at the time. As I got older, I then moved into the lifestyle category on YouTube, which is travel, exercise, cooking, everyday life, anything that's just everyday. And for me specifically, I went to college and I started vlogging my college experience. I fall under the category as a beauty influencer. However, I have different niches within that I've explored over the years. So you have to figure out what your niche is. Now, what I recommend with this is don't close yourself in and just think I have to do this one thing. You're allowed to try different things, especially starting your YouTube channel off. You don't know what you're good at, what you really are passionate about, what type of content you like are just speaks to you. You can make your own lane. You don't have to do what anybody else is doing. You can literally do whatever you want. But let's get into the different income streams that a social media influencer can have. So I have about 6. You have ad revenue, brand deals, speaking engagements, affiliate links, digital products, and physical products. So for this video, I'm going to focus on ad revenue and brand deals. For me, this is the easiest way to make money, and for me, my most lucrative streams of income. So what is ad revenue? Ad revenue is money that's generated from in-app advertisement. So if you're watching this video, you probably saw an ad play at the beginning of this video or somewhere within this video, and I get to monetize that and get a percentage of the advertisement placement on this video. When I started YouTube, it wasn't as many requirements to monetize your videos on social media. But now to monetize your video, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Which, do not panic, that is not a lot. You can start your YouTube channel. Today is still the perfect day to start your channel. So my recommendations to hit these requirements fast is to start making content on topics and content that is already trending. So it's things that people love to watch. I recommend morning routines, anything with me, clean with me, travel with me, cook with me. These are just trending right now. Also, YouTube is trying to get people to stay inside, so anything with me is trending right now. Quarantine related things, since we're all in the house, those are trending topics that people are searching, and how-tos. I would start my channel with the basis of those type of videos, just because you want to hit your 4,000 watch hours really fast, and you want to do videos that are actually trending to get views. So to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, it could be your first video that does this, or it could be your 10th video that does this. Be patient, but make sure you're putting out content that is trending as your first getting your channel started. Let's talk about my ad revenue. You do not have to have 1 million followers to make a lot of money on social media, although that is what people think. I think that my channel is the perfect channel, perfect example to get you guys going, because I have about 250,000 subscribers on this channel. On my beauty channel, I have about 300,000, a little over 300,000 subscribers, and I make really good money on social media. So in 2018, just off of ad revenue, I brought in $162,315.87 just on ad revenue, just on having a little advertisement at the beginning of my videos that I already like doing. In 2019, for the year, I made $89,870.03 in ad revenue. In 2019, I was not putting out consistent content. I did not show up to my business in the way that I needed to show up to. And then I did have some changes within the social media space and switching networks. Now, a network is kind of like a record label to YouTubers, and you can sign with a network to basically get better ads and other perks that go along. But if you're just starting a YouTube channel, don't worry about anything about network. And honestly, where the social media space is going to, you might not even need one. Now in 2019, when I was going through changes within the social media space that naturally just happen over time, you can't really, prevent them. You just have to adapt. I leaned on my other streams of income, brand deals. Now brand deals is also something that early on in my YouTube career, I was not getting a lot of. I really just heavily relied on ad revenue. Now brand deals is something that you have to work your way up to being able to partner with brands and grow a relationship with brands and have an audience that brands want to market. Basically, brands will pay you to market their products or services when you have built your audience up. I don't mind sharing my numbers just because I want you to know what you can do as an influencer. So Q1 for me in brand deals has been my best year yet. January 2020 through March 31st, which is the first quarter in the year. That's 3 months, January, February, and March. For my Q1, I booked a little over $140,000 in brand deals, and I have about 8 partners right now. Now, things that people don't tell you about being a YouTube influencer is that it is a little bit of work that goes into it. You have to figure out how to basically do your own graphics if you're not going to pay anybody to do it, how to edit your videos. You're going to basically be your own manager and pitch your deals starting off, which for me, I made up a fake name. Her name was Katie, and I was reaching out to brands as Katie and not myself. I was my own manager before I had a manager. I pitched my own deals before someone stepped in and helped me pitch deals. So I thought this series would be perfect to take you guys behind my hustle. I'm basically starting from the beginning. I'm at my mom's house. I don't have a setup. I don't have equipment. I need to figure this out. I need to get my film set up right. I always like having a cute painting or a cute chair or a cute bedding or something. I kind of just have a blank wall right now. So in my upcoming video, I'm going to be taking you guys with me to create my ultimate film setup at my mom's house. in my room. My social media goals for 2020 is to rebrand my beauty channel and my vlog channel here on YouTube, and to focus on being consistent. This past year I was not consistent. I was not putting out the content that I truly want to put out, and I want to just get back to creating what I really love to create. This series, Behind the Hustle, is going to be very open and transparent, especially for you guys that want to be social media entrepreneurs like myself. You have to start somewhere. You should really see how I'm filming. I mean, I have my notepad on my suitcase. I have 2 boxes standing up. My light broke in my suitcase. I don't have a ring light. None of that. I'm just here creating content, and that's how it starts. So we're gonna build this up. I'm gonna show you how to get really cute film setup. I like shooting in a really cute area. I like my area to kind of feel like a set. I like to feel like, okay, I'm going to film this video in this cute background. So we're gonna do all of that in this series. I wonder, are you ready to be a social media influencer? You have to show up for you every single day. You have to put in the work for yourself every single day. Whenever you lack, your business lacks. Whenever you're not working, your business isn't making money. This is my intro video to this series. I want to give you a breakdown of how much I'm making, how I make my money, what I did for quarter 1, and we're gonna go from there. With showing you guys behind the scenes, I really hope that I can inspire and motivate some of you guys to start your YouTube channel. I know a lot of people want to do it, but they're kind of afraid. And even if it's not a YouTube channel, maybe that podcast that you want to do, or maybe that website that you want to launch. So I really hope that I can be of help with this series, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.